Hey guys, I got the floor down earlier today, so let's start building some cabinets. Let's just start right over here. Let's start with this base cabinet. Come on, let's go. Y'all follow me. Woo!
It's Clarence Cadiddlehopper, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo, doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up.
Okay, as y'all know, that this is the base cabinet, and I've got several different ideas for it. Not exactly sure what I'm going to do with it, honestly, just yet. So, I'm going to be bringing some different stuff out here, but first, I want to build a box frame for it so that I can look at it and see basically how I want it and where my refrigerator's going to sit, things like that. Maybe where my electrical's going to come in. You know, general stuff. So, let's build the box frame first. All right. Okay, so I've already measured those back. I just need these to be 23. But we'll do this back one first, and that's a 75, if I remember correctly. Yep, 75 inches. I'll take that off. Well, I can tell you right now, guys, I'm kind of wishing I had some windows because that stinking light right there is, it is hot. All right, so now I've got to figure out how I want to lay this out. Where I want my refrigerator, where I want my sink, you know, things like that. So, I think I'm gonna consult with my wife on that. And then I'll get back with you. Alright guys, so yesterday I put the floor down and I gave it a couple hours, about an hour to dry, and I came back in, started working on the cabinet. Holy cow! Remember, I don't have windows in this dude. It was about, well, it was like 80 degrees yesterday, plus I had the light, plus I had the fumes, and I thought I was gonna pass out. So I figured, let's give it overnight to dry. We'll come back and start again in the morning. Well, it's the morning, so let's keep going. You're gonna see my back a lot today. I'm sorry. I will try to speed through most everything and kind of give you a idea of what I did and why I did it at the end, baby. Well, let's go. All right, guys, so what I did is I added this. This is basically a gigantic, it's gonna be basically a gigantic gusset. What it's doing is it is actually giving strength to this front wall this direction, okay? Now, 1/4 inch isn't very strong, you know, this way, but when you go on the edge, it's very strong. So, I've basically given myself a big gigantic wedge gusset here for this front wall. And that's what all the cabinets will do for the entire camper. So, let's just keep on building.